found this camera. It's pretty dark. Might not be able to see me. But I need to get out of here. There's a drawer here. No, nothing in there. Maybe in here? No. There's a closet in here. There's toys. I gotta go. Ooh, there's a stock in here. There's a laser sight. There's an extension. There's a muffler. There's a bunch of stuff in here. It's dark in here. I gotta get out before I get lost. Alright, any magazine. Let's get out of here. I made it out. The cars were here. Maybe the guards will find out that I broke out soon. I gotta go. Dang it, you're here. You are gonna pay for putting me in jail. Even though you did the crime. I am innocent. And you still put me in jail. Time for you to pay. Didn't you die in the last Nerf war? That you should totally check out now. But you got shot and you got roasted. You got called ugly. So how you still here? I'm Renegade J Master. You cannot get rid of me. And I have a doctor. Either way, still laugh. Yeah, you better run. Oh crap, guards. These are my special ops unit. This is only one of them, but they are feisty. Almost as feisty as a bull having tacos. They are very powerful and you do not want to mess with. Alright, I gotta keep on going. Finally, freedom. No! Dang it. You were always following me. Yeah. I always follow you. And you ain't going anywhere that night. Ain't not here. Yeah. I don't know what that means, but I don't care. You're gonna die. You are not getting out of here. This is my grounds. And you're gonna stay on them. Life or death. Choose. Because either way, you are not leaving. Even though I said it 3 times. What? What does that mean again? I don't care. I'm just getting out of this prison. Alright. You want to go the hard way? Alright. You shot me. Bruh, come on. You ain't supposed to shoot me in this. I was supposed to win in the script. Ah! There's a script? Yeah, there's a script. I mean, like, you made it up as you went, but still. Anyways, I'm gonna be here for the next war that involves me. I'm not gonna die. Yay, he's dead! Ah! Hey guys, J Messenger. Hope you guys enjoyed the Nerf war. I hope you did. I think it was pretty good. And thank you guys for your support on my channel. 111 when I'm making this video, because it's Wednesday for me. It's probably gonna be put up on Friday though. So, because I want to get a lot of Nerf wars done for the channel. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.